Hey, it's Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. Today, we're out here doing a little work on the Camaro, nothing big, quick video. The big dummy was driving it and he noticed there was no passenger side mirror glass anymore. So he didn't know whether it fell off in front of the house or it fell off while he was driving or it fell off when his mother was driving the car. Hey, Willie. Hi. Or it fell off when his mother was driving the car. And anyway, he sent me out here in the street where the car was parked to see if the mirror glass was sitting on the floor, and it wasn't, so we don't know when or where it fell off. Anyway, it went a few months, and my wife has been nagging to get a new mirror glass. So I went to Amazon, and I'll link this mirror glass in the description below, and I found a replacement mirror glass. It was about 20 bucks, and it's convex. So the whole glass is just got a little convex to give you a wider range of view. All right, so about 20 bucks, just comes with the glass that's convex, and it's actual real glass. It's not plastic or anything. And it comes with these circulus double-sided tape adhesive pads. These are mine, and I got some alcohol so I could clean the glass for the adhesive, and I could clean the mirror for the adhesive. So now coming over here, the way the directions read, you have to put on the back of the mirror, you're gonna put these 3 adhesive tabs, and they give you 6 altogether. And looking over here, I see round outlines, so I'm guessing that this mirror glass was replaced once before. The problem is, if you put them like here, there's no place for it to grab. So you only got like a good grab there, maybe a good grab over here if it grabs here and here. You know, but this one in the corner really doesn't have a real good grab. So anyway, we're gonna clean that off with alcohol, and instead of applying the adhesive pads to the mirror first, I'm going to apply them to this plastic first. And that reason is because we want to make sure that it gets as much grab as possible on the plastic, because if you notice, when the mirror fell off, the adhesive pads are on the mirror, they're not on the plastic. So probably the adhesive sticking to the plastic doesn't stick as well as the adhesive sticking to the mirror. So now that we got it all clean, we'll let that dry, and then we'll put our adhesive on. All right, so we're gonna put one right in the corner. Okay, so it's grabbing good right there, and it's grabbing good right over here. All right. I'm going to take the next one, and I'm going to go right next to it. So that's a nice good grab there. And then I'm going to grab the next one, and I am going to try to bridge this gap here with that one. So it's really only going to grab the mirror here, here, and over here. It's not going to grab the mirror over there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one, I'm going to cut it in half and put it down over there. Okay, and I think I could use the other half right here. Tear a little bit off the corner.
Do they rip easily?
Yeah, they actually do. I thought I was going to have to go get a pair of scissors, but they actually rip pretty easy. All right, so now I got that one there. So now these are all on. I rubbed them in pretty good with my fingers. I got a lot of surface area covered up. I could actually take this little corner that's left, stick it right here on that corner there. So now all we gotta do is take the back side of the mirror, clean that off with an alcohol pad. So I cleaned it off with an alcohol pad, and then use a clean rag or your shirt if it's clean. And I'll wipe it, let it air dry. And while that's just air drying, I will take and get these backings off of the pads. All right, so with all the backings off, now what I need to do is come in and get this mirror in the spot where it needs to go. Okay, which is like that. And then they said even pressure, and try not to put pressure on the edges, because if you put pressure on the edges, you could have a tendency to crack the mirror. And that seems to be fairly good. All right, and I'm going to take, because I got fingerprints all over the mirror, I'll take an alcohol pad and clean off the mirror. Wipe it off with my shirt. Give it a little adjustment for the baby mama. All right, looks pretty good. I'm hoping it sticks. I don't know if, if that backing is the way it's supposed to be. Seems to be in there pretty good. I don't know. If it stays in there, I'm happy. If it falls out again and breaks, I'm unhappy. If it falls out and lands on the grass and we could redo it, we'll just use some silicone or some of that flex glue, because that stuff works great on everything. But we're gonna use the factory pads for now. Hopefully it stays in there. If it falls and breaks or we lose it and I gotta buy it again, I'm definitely gonna use some silicone or flex glue to hold it in there. But hopefully she's happy. A little quickie on the IROC today. Thanks for watching.